Hola, hola, hola. Hey everybody, Nickie Brown here. So, the bag of kale came with a recipe on the back. Kale, carrot, and avocado salad. And the ingredients are kale, carrots, avocado, onion, lemon or lime juice, sesame seed, and soy sauce. So, I didn't make the full recipe because I didn't use the whole bag. I just made a smaller portion. So I just put some, maybe like 2 handfuls of kale. I grated up 2 carrots. I haven't put the avocado in yet because I'm going to allow this to marinate overnight. I used white onion instead of red onion. If you can see that, it's a little dark. Yep, I used white onion instead of red onion. I did use this lime juice by Santa Cruz. Instead of toasted sesame seeds, I used my tahini because it is ground sesame seeds. And then I used my liquid aminos because it is soy sauce. Okay. And that's it. Like I said, I'll cut up the avocado tomorrow before I get ready to eat the salad. But I just wanted to show you another way that you can use the kale aside in a kale wrap to make a kale salad. And you don't have to make a traditional salad. You can make it a little different and add some other juices and berries that you might not ordinarily add to a salad. All right, y'all. Hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later.